If your partner is not respecting you in your relationship and is affecting you, and you want a solution, then this video is for you. If this video is not for you, but you have someone you care a lot about, then do your part by sharing this video to them. Watch it. Tell them, encourage them to also watch it. You know, some people believe that once there is money, they don't care if there's respect or not. They don't bother in as much there is money. But in the long run, it's going to affect them. Welcome to Staying Dignified with Edith. My name is Edith Olaide Olale. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you importance of respect in relationships. Stay right there. I'll be right back. Respect in relationship can have a profoundly positive impact on individuals. Here are some ways that respect can benefit you. If you're being respected in your relationship, it will boost your self-esteem. There's this level of confidence that to give to you. You will not be scared that your partner might embarrass you in public or do something you wouldn't like. You will be confident that, wow, this man loves me, this man respects me, this woman loves me, this woman respects me. The second one, that it reduces stress. You will not be stressed about something. You know, if someone does not respect you and the person verbally abuses you in public, you'll be stressed up. You might even get confused about what to do. The third benefit is that it increases sense of safety. When you're respected in your relationship, you have this sense of safety and security. Respect can build trust and strengthens relationship. No sane person will leave someone that cherishes her and respects her for someone that abuses her and does not even value her. If a woman does that, it shows the woman is not wise. It shows the man is not wise either. Encourages open communication. It promotes open and honest communication. You will not be scared to share your feelings, to express yourself to the person. Because if someone does not respect you and the person lashes out at you at any slightest opportunity, you will be fearful. You will not be able to tell the person your mind. If you're not feeling comfortable about something, you will not be able to express your emotion. You will not be able to express your mind because you're scared, like, what if I say this thing? This person is going to embarrass me. Respect in relationship resolves conflicts. You know, it can help you to resolve conflict in a constructive manner. Not being aggressive, not trying to prove a point, because you know this person respects me and you respect the person. It makes solving conflicts easier. I want you to know this. When you feel respected in a relationship, you are more likely to feel valued, appreciated, and supported. What is the essence of being in a relationship where the man or the woman cannot respect you or your family? Respect is not adding ma, sir, kneeling down, prostrating. All those things can be fake. It is disrespectful for your partner to shout at you privately or publicly and you dare not say something. You are not a slave. You are the person's partner, for crying out loud. It is disrespectful to get to know your partner's decision from third party. That is very bad. You get to know your husband wants to do something through his friends, through your friends, through your children. Why are you partner? It is disrespectful. It is disrespectful for your partner to disrespect your friends, colleagues, family, people close to you in your presence. As you're watching this video, just go to the comment section. If you have any other disrespectful things that people do in relationship, you can type it under the comment section. So let's move on. Let me tell you two major things that disrespect does in a relationship. The first one is that it affects your emotional well-being. Being in a relationship with someone that does not respect you can lead to anxiety, stress, depression, low self-esteem. The second thing is that it diminishes your self-worth. You will start seeing yourself as if you're not capable. You start seeing yourself as if you does not even worth respect. If an outsider disrespects you, you will see it as a normal thing. Staying away from a partner that does not respect you is crucial for your emotional well-being and self-worth. Here are some reasons why. The first one is relationship dynamics. It prevents further hurt. Staying away from a disrespectful partner prevents you from further emotional pain. It encourages healthy relationship. You know, by setting boundaries and prioritizing respect, you are more likely to get more healthy relationship in the future. Because if you are used to disrespect, if someone that is very respectful comes your way, you might see it as abnormal. But if you prioritize self-worth, By the time you see someone disrespect you will see it as a red flag. The second benefit of staying away from a disrespectful partner is personal growth. Distance yourself from toxic relationship to focus more on your personal growth. It helps a lot. You will have time for yourself to grow more. In your personal growth, you will increase your self-awareness. You will know this is wrong, this is okay for me. You will be able to notice red flags on time. Another benefit when you distance yourself is that you prioritize yourself. If you don't love yourself, that is when you stay in abusive relationship. If you're staying there because of money, that shows you don't even value yourself. Your self-worth has been diminished because you see yourself as if you cannot make money for yourself. Real men values women that respect themselves. Prioritizing yourself shows you will focus on self-care, emotional well-being, physical well-being. At this moment, if you've not subscribed to this channel, now is the time. Please do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like as you're watching this and comment. But here is good news. You can still work on the relationship. I'm going to share with you ways that you can build respect in your relationship. Building respect in a relationship takes effort from both partners. Both partners, not one person. Here are some ways to encourage your man to respect you. The first one is to communicate effectively. Express your feelings in a calm and respectable manner. Let him know how you're feeling. Practice active listening to understand each other's perspectives. What is 6 to you might be 9 to him, but you don't have to impose that 6 to him. See it from another perspective. Listen to him, understand your partner. The second one is to set clear boundaries. By setting boundaries, you can establish respect in your relationship and prioritize your well-being also. No matter the love you have for someone, you cannot love someone above yourself. If you don't value yourself, you cannot value the other person. If you don't respect yourself, you cannot respect your partner. Here are some boundaries to set. Your emotional boundaries. That means you have to expect respectful communication. No name calling. It should not shout on you. Don't shout on each other. No yelling, no belittling. Insist on emotional validation where your feelings are being acknowledged and respected. Establish personal space. There are some times you want to be alone. It's for your own good. Establish physical boundaries. Kissing, touching. There are some times you might not really want that at that moment. And you should respect your no. You to respect is known. In the physical boundaries, prioritize your safety. Don't engage in activity just to satisfy your partner. That will hurt you. Don't do that. Time and attention boundaries, quality time. Respect each other's time, respect each other's schedule. Respect the quality time you spend together. Another boundaries to set is values and belief boundaries. Respect each other's values and belief system. Respect each other's opinions, especially on politics, on soccer. Avoid judging and criticizing each other's values. And the last boundary to set is digital boundaries. Respect each other's digital privacy. It's not that your partner is cheating on you, but there are some things you are not supposed to see. What if your partner's friend or colleague confided in him or her? You seeing it might like you are prying into each other's privacy. It's not about cheating. The third way to build respect in a relationship is to build trust. Be honest, keep your promises, be reliable to each other. By doing that, your partner will respect you. The fourth one is to foster mutual respect. Show appreciation. No matter what your partner gives to you, show appreciation. Value each other's opinion. Support each other. Not by words alone, even in action. The fifth point is to take care of yourself. Pursue your passion, pursue your goals. It helps in building respect, not depending totally on the other person. Be up and doing yourself. In taking care of yourself, you maintain your identity. You don't lose yourself while respecting others. You don't lose yourself while respecting others. The sixth one is to model respectful behavior. Treat him with respect, compassion, kindness. Avoid criticizing him. Show empathy towards your man, towards your woman. Perhaps you've gone through all this and the respect is still not there. Then go to the last point. Seek professional help. You can go for couples therapy so that you can foster your relationship. It matters a lot. I've told you the benefits it does to relationship. If the issue is communication, seek communication coaching. so as to know how to communicate with each other. By following all these tips, you can encourage your man to respect you and build a more stronger, healthy relationship. If there's something you would like to add, please drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next video, remember to stay respected and dignified.